and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I have Fran here with me and we're in Perth and I think it's at least, let me have a look,
Too late.
1:18 a.m. Queensland time. What is it, Perth time?
Oh, 2 hours.
Yeah,
So
about 11, 18. Okay.
You're a bit late.
So I'm asking Fran what she does to make a difference.
So at the moment I'm caring with aged people. I go to their house and just be competing with other people. When you're actually talking with them down the track, you've actually become my family. Like when you're caring for old people, they just love you. You know, they just, what you do, you smile, just being caring for them and things like that. And for these people, I've got 6 clients and each day I make a difference for them. And it has become the family. Like when I'm not there, it's just like, oh, I miss them. So yeah, that's me at the moment, caring for other people.
Yeah. And that's great, isn't it? So on a Monday, we can make a difference, care for other people, have a look at our elderly around us, give them a smile and ask them, what can I do to help you today and make a difference?
Yeah. And smile. They love the smiles as well.
Yeah. It changes the world, doesn't it?
It
Smile.
does.
One smile at a time, we can change the world.
We will. One day at a time.
Well, Fran, it was great to meet you. And Fran is one of our best helpers, kind-hearted person that helps in Perth at our Speakers Tribe. So if you get to Perth,
come along
and have a great heaps of fun. All right, well, happy Monday to everybody and we'll speak soon. Bye.
Bye.